Hi, welcome to my channel Artsy Hub. So today let's draw Angry Birds drawing. We all love Angry Birds, isn't it? So here I'll be drawing the step-by-step process. Let's see how we can draw this Angry Bird. So first I'm going to start with the basic shape of red. That's circle. Yes. And above we have a number 3 shape. On the right side and exactly at the center we are going to draw a triangular shape, a little bit tilted, and the same at the bottom. It's like an opposite. Yes. Next a vertical line, and then the eyebrows. Very easy. Angular line. These are two angular lines, and on the left side now the eyes are a little big, and the right side is a bit small. Next the chug. So this is like a triangular shape or a samosa shape, isn't it? Okay, so these three hairs here and there. Next again the beak is going to be same. Let's see. Eyes. Here both the eye they're like same size, and you know uh, it's with angry eyes. And we have started painting. I'm using acrylic paints over here. You can use markers, sketch pens, anything. So first I just colored the body red, and next yellow. The beak, the next color is going to be like a peach color. So how to do this? You can mix red and yellow and white, okay, or you can just try mixing red, a bit of yellow and white, so you have to have the proper balance. Now I'm going to use black. Okay, I'm going to use black for the eyebrows. And first I'm going to carefully give the outlines first in details, and then fill inside. So that's how you have to paint this basic. Okay, next the eyeballs. Okay, eyeballs. After the eyeballs, okay, the center line. So red is almost done. We just have to give a nice outline for red. Yes. Next on the left side now I'm going to draw a bomb. Okay, he is one more good buddy. Okay, here this is a bit different. So here his beak is like a leaf shape, you can call. It's a cool thing. So here I've drawn two circles, and then inside circles I've drawn still smaller circles. These are the eyes and the eyeballs. Yes. So here if you see that circle, the top half has this beak, eyes, everything, and the bottom half is like plain and just a slopey line. That's it. Let me just start coloring the beak first. A bit of yellow and orange are mixed, and the eyebrows a little red. Even here same color, yellow color, and it's going to be black. This is going to be like complete black. Okay, just fast forward this video, or else it will take a lot of time. Just filling it downwards first. As you can see, I've given the outlines little by little. I'm going to give the outlines and then blend it. Not going to do the whole outline first and then fill. No. Now as you could see, the first time that when I painted was like lines used to come, and then again I painted upon that, and then now it's covered. Yes, and a little bit of gray. So what I did was, here I cleaned my brush, so whatever was remaining in my brush I just painted over here, so it became like more waterless paint. Now last step, give a nice neat outline with a marker or sketch pen or using paintbrush, but you have to do it like really slowly. Thank you for watching. For more art videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.